Welcome back to Bullseye. Today we're going to be doing a bit of automotive, that's the right word, automotive, isn't it? But you know, I'd say a bit of car work. One of the guys that does some of our filming, he has decided that he needs a Cambelt, so we decided we're going to do that. He's also diagnosed his own car. It runs out of power on acceleration, and he says it's the spark plugs. But I know, as most people do know, that work on cars, it's going to be a core pack on something like this, more than likely. But yeah, so we're going to do a Cambelt and water pump today. I'll see you in a bit when we're ready to work on it.
Do you want me to do that?
Okay, right.
Auxiliary drive belt.
You'll notice it'll go so far and then it will stop. Now I'm going to have to get my foot. Why are they so tight? So get the outer pulley off. I'm going to use a little copper hide mallet. Like that.
That last one?
I don't know.
Not great.
No. No. See, so what we're going to do now is we are going to rotate the pulleys to a line, and we've only got to go a couple of turns there by the looks of it. Pinholes here, see them?
Yeah. So that's what you line up.
Yep, we line up those, and what we're going to do is we're going to put some pin locators in there.
That'll lock them.
Should do.
What do we have here? Locking pins.
Locking pins, that's correctly right. No, it's the old one. Which means I've got to search around. That is that one. I am loosening off the tensioner pulley nut so we can remove the belt. Again, we've got no history on the belt, but if you're in doubt, do it, because the new Cambelt kits are far cheaper than head off and replacing valves and whatever damage it does on top of that. So, you always do. I've seen people not do water pumps on Cambelt jobs, and then I've seen shortly afterwards the water pump claps. They run on, obviously they've got a bearing on them, and what happens is they obviously bearings run out, don't they? What happens is, I think some of the time, and I've seen it happen where people don't do water pumps on Cambelt kits, and I think it's the tension of the new belt. That's what I think it is. But you do see people that, I've done Cambelt kits on people's cars before, and you say, oh, do you want to do a water pump? And some of them think you're just trying to sell them something, so some people have chose not to have them done. But in my opinion, when you're doing a Cambelt kit, you've got to do water pump.
Would you like me to get it out, sir, the new water pump?
Right, where's the new Cambelt? Cambelt lines here. See these lines? These lines, obviously direction as well. So the engine, the direction's going this way. Okay. We've got the tension on that side. So on the bottom, there'll be a splice on the bottom pulley, which Lee's going to lay down there and line it up for me.
No problem, sir.
That says the bottom end is out by a tooth.
Yeah, well, so what do we do?
So we're going to move it. I'm just going to twist it a little bit, and that's it. A bit more. Oh, that's it. Right, back up again, back it up. Right, that tells us that it was a tooth out on the bottom end.
So you literally manually turning the engine over?
Yep. You just want to turn it over, make sure the belt's aligned itself on the pulleys, and then we'll recheck the tension. And then all will be good, and then we'll stick it all back together.